let's get all of that in there.
Yes, I did gasketing.
We bought a whole gasket kit. You would think that a complete gasket kit comes with all the gaskets. Doesn't. So we had to run out and get some gasket material.
Gasket paper.
Gasket paper. So that's gonna go on there and on there. It goes there and then on there.
Yes.
So that is the oil pump now going on.
The motor's been kicked out of its chair. So we have to put the motor down to get this off because the next part that we need to install goes on the side.
Degreaser. Degreaser. Give me the grinder.
Nurse Tiago over here.
7 years I studied for this.
Yeah.
Silicone.
You know what nurses' titles are? So like, you know how they call you Mr. Tiago?
Yeah.
When you're a nurse, your title changes the same way that when you're a doctor, your title changes.
So what do they call me?
Sister.
Sister.
And male nurses?
Yeah, what about male
No,
nurse?
sister.
Male nurse is sister.
Yes.
Are you
It's their
lying?
title. Okay.
Guys, please tell us in the comment. Is a male nurse also called a sister?
No, it's
There's
sister.
no way.
It's sister. I'm telling you,
There's no
sister.
way.
Okay.
Male nurse is called a sister. You're lucky my phone is broken. I was gonna Google that shit now.
Okay.
I don't believe you.
Well, I mean, we can stop filming and check it. We're gonna stop filming and
Stop
check
filming. Yeah.
Sister.
No. What did Google say?
We need to verify that link.
What did Google say?
We need to verify that link.
What did Google say?
It said brother, but we
Thank
need to
you.
verify the link.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's an unverified link. The link I clicked on wanted to download some file onto my phone.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you,
We don't care.
Jerry.
It makes logical sense.
There's a plier.
Plier.
It's crunch time.
Brother?
We ended up, we're putting silicone on here now because we were trying to put the pickup.
Gasket maker.
Yeah, sorry. It's not silicone. It's Victorian. It's gasket maker.
Yes.
The guys that didn't give us gaskets, by the way.
They didn't.
Yeah, so we already put silicone on the oil pickup tube. So we have to hurry up and put the oil sump, what do you call that thing? That tray that goes in between the sump and the...
I call it a sump tray.
Yeah. Splash tray, sump tray, that tray. We forgot that goes first. So we need to hurry up and put the sump tray on before the silicone on the pickup tube dries. Oh, the tray's going on now. Huh?
We'll be back.
Oh, but
right
the tray's
now.
going on now.
To there.
So effectively, that's how it's supposed to look. Hey, look at you putting fingers inside your motor.
I'm still blaming you if it blows up.
Yeah, clever.
You stretched my piston.
If any other piston other than that one blows up,
It's your fault. Because now all the others had to carry the weight of your messed up piston.
no.
Yes.
Mine will blow up because it's wrong if I did it incorrectly.
You see, if you did it incorrectly, then maybe it's escaping compression. So, in my mind, right,
Yeah, see, there. Right there is where the problem is.
the other pistons have to come together and compensate to carry that extra compression.
Or,
So one might get tired because your piston is slacking
or,
and let go.
or maybe, the way that it usually works in motors, the one that was done incorrectly will break.
Some plugs, some bolts. So, oil pump is on, sump is on, bottom end basically done, I guess.
Yeah. BBD.
That was awfully close to BVL. Head gasket.
Wow, look at that, 2 holes. Those 2 holes.
I'm not sure what it is that you showed the people.
So you see these 2 holes and those 2 holes. If you flip it the other way, then it puts those holes
So
on.
you can't put it that way, right? You can put it this way, but that doesn't line up, that doesn't line up. So it goes that way. One way push.
Like a glove.
Yes.
Now come look at this. Because this thing, look at that. Look at those. Look how clean.
Oh, you did valves as well, eh?
So you see the valves?
Okay. There we go.
That there is a twin cam 4A-GE motor.
Look at them cams.
16 valve.
Look at them cams. Two. Twin.
It's coming together. So
You need all the head bolts.
we're putting in the head bolts, tightening it down. Then pretty much the assembly of the motor is done, and we'll be working on the accessories. So we'll see how that goes.
So now the head bolts are in. We had to take the cams off with the head bolts in. They're in there. And what's sick about the Victor range, the gasket kit.
Except for the fact that they send you 3 missing.
Yeah, except for the fact that it's missing a few gaskets and it's supposed to be a full gasket kit. They give you an instruction manual that tells you your torque spec, 29, 90, 90, and the order in which you should tighten your head bolt. So with the 29, 90, 90 is 29 newtons first on the torque wrench, which is in Clarence's hand over there, and then you go 90 degree, 90 degree.
So wherever it stops, you
Yeah.
just find 90 degrees. You
Yeah.
stop again until the next one.
Okay, so what we did there is now marking the bolts so that we know where 90 plus 90 is. So once we're done marking them, we're going to go through and hit a 90 degrees, going through the order again, And then once we're done, we're gonna do it again with another 90 degrees going through the order.
So effectively, by the time we're done, not at once, by the time we're done, the line that's now looking this way that you just saw
Will be opposite. It is your head bolt. It's essentially what holds your motor together. So it does need quite a bit of power in order to handle power. There you go, all of them are done to spec, all pointing down. And that means the head is now mounted to the block. Let's put the cams on and put the tappets on. And then yeah.
What are you doing now?
I'm oiling my ring.
Are you done oiling the ring?
Yeah, I'm just how do you say, shaking it off, I guess.
So what's the occasion?
We've been invited to a Diddy party, that's what happened.
Wow. What, you and both your cams?
Yes.
Give it my
Don't
cost.
forget me rings.
So those go on to?
One exactly. In there. Yes. And then there's one that goes in, it's over there. That will go in there. That's my brown ring, that one.
While Tiago is making sure that his caps are lubed, the torque setting for these is 15. So we have that torque range set up to 15. And while he's checking that they're lubed, then tighten it down, and Bob
Guys,
shall be our mother's
Let me
brother.
tell you something, man. Building an engine, you need to pay attention, guys.
Yeah. Because he's undoing things that we just did because he forgot to do what he was supposed to do.
Nah, but it's like the smallest things. You're like, you forget about it. Like now, because you just fitted these things, like these arrows, then you forget that the arrows need to all point in the same direction. So
Yeah, so don't forget to do that.
And don't mix the caps up.
yeah, and don't mix the caps.
Because the valve clearances are set
Yeah,
for the cut cams.
exactly.
Right, so once everything's torqued down to spec, we'll come back.
So, Kgosi, what have you done?
I plead the fifth.
What have you done?
I plead the fifth.
Yeah, if you can see that bolt is quite shorter than what it should be, that's because the other half is in there.
It's your head and you're laughing.
It's funny. What do you mean?
Yeah, you say that now.
I want the same reaction when I snap a bolt on your V12. I hope you.
Very unlikely, which is why I'm stressed.
It's okay, guys. It's part of the experience of learning, bro.
Yeah, but like, honestly, I guess you also, we don't have a small torque range. We've got a big one. We did set it to spec because all the rest of them were going through. However,
He snapped the bolt.
so be careful.
Nothing that can't be fixed It's yeah. Oh yeah, if we can get it out, because it should. You broke it not bad. There's still a bit of it sticking out on the head. So if we can get it out, it's just a matter of getting it out.
Case scenario, weld a nut on.
Worst case, we weld a nut on.
I guess we're learning how to weld.
Well, not today because we don't have a welder.
Oh no.
So you're paying attention how it's supposed to be done.
I don't know the rest of them. It was the last one. It was the last one.
Yeah, like Max Verstappen, overconfident. There.
I actually think that is exactly what I was like, oh, I've been doing this, and I started doing it. And I kept going, and then I'm like, wait, why is this thing not singing? I slowed down, and I slowed down, and slowed down, and then I heard a click.
But it wasn't the right click.
Did you oil it?
No, not yet. I didn't take them off yet. We got distracted because Kgosi broke a bolt.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
You snapped a bolt on my head. I have to get some enjoyment out of it somehow.
I can see the title already on that thing. Kgosi broke a bolt.
Oh no, he's gonna break another bolt. I know. Should I show them?
Show them what?
Should I show them?
You did.
No, I didn't.
You haven't.
No, they only saw quarter.
Show them like.
There we go. Nah, it's really starting to look like a motor now. Something nice.
Almost ready to put back in the car.
Almost. If it wasn't for you and that meddling broken bolt. And there we go. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. This is how far we've gone with the motor. Yeah, most of it is on. We're just missing a few odds and ends. Adapter plate, pulley, what else?
Some stuff.
Painting some stuff. We got the dipstick there somewhere. It's all small odds and ends that we can actually put on once it's in the car. He's covering his mess up.
I'm not covering my mess up. I'm blocking dust from getting into the thing. Yes.
Into the hole that you created.
There's no hole I created.
Oh no, you plugged it well is what you did. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, do all those things. And yeah, just thank you for your support, I guess.
I didn't say anything, brother.
Yeah, you better not, you broke a bolt.